How to use Wolfram Alpha. A comprehensive guide for beginners. One. What is Wolfram Alpha? 2. How does Wolfram Alpha work? 3. What are some of the things that Wolfram Alpha can do? 4. How can Wolfram Alpha help your business? 1. What is Wolfram Alpha? Wolfram Alpha is a computational knowledge engine. It was created by Stephen Wolfram and launched in May 2009. Wolfram Alpha takes a question as input and attempts to answer it using its massive database of facts. One of the most unique features of Wolfram Alpha is that it can generate graphs and plots based on data entered into the system. This makes it an excellent tool for data analysis and visualization. Wolfram Alpha can also be used to solve mathematical problems, and to research topics of interest. 2. How does Wolfram Alpha work? Wolfram Alpha is an online search engine that is designed to answer factual questions. It was created by Wolfram Research, a company founded by Stephen Wolfram. Is different from other search engines because it doesn't just return websites that match the keywords you enter. Instead, it compiles data from a variety of sources and tries to provide an answer to the question. This can include data from websites, books, articles, and other sources. 3. What are some of the things that Wolfram Alpha can do? Wolfram Alpha can do a variety of tasks, from providing mathematical solutions to graphing data. It also has a large collection of built-in information on a variety of topics, which means you can get specific answers to questions without having to search through multiple sources. You can also use Wolfram Alpha to create custom reports and graphs. 4. How can Wolfram Alpha help your business? Generating reports and data analysis. Wolfram Alpha can be used to generate detailed reports on a range of business metrics, including sales figures, customer demographics, and product performance. 2. Generating marketing content. With its wealth of data on a range of topics, Wolfram Alpha can be used to generate interesting and engaging marketing content. This could include blog posts, infographics, or even social media posts. Conclusion. Tools like Wolfram Alpha are driving us to rethink an educational system by challenging it to meet the new technology standard, much as robots have done for the industry. Either we reform our educational institutions to include technologies like Wolfram Alpha, or we risk becoming living artifacts in an ever-changing world. Thanks for watching. More videos will be coming. Subscribe to us to be informative.